Hello everyone. How can we measure vegetation health from satellite imagery? In this video, I will show you how to calculate NDVI step by step using Landsat 8 and ArcGIS Pro. First, I have added Landsat 8 imagery to ArcGIS Pro. For NDVI, we need two spectral band, band 4 red band and band 5 is our near infrared band. Now I will use the raster calculator to calculate NDVI. The formula is NIR minus red, NIR plus red. NIR is band 5 and red is band 4. So go to search command and type raster calculator. Double click on it. So write formula here. Band 5 minus band 4 divided by band 5 plus band 4. Write output name and run the formula. Once I run the calculation, ArcGIS Pro create the NDVI result, NDVI raster image. So here you can see NDVI is appear. So now let's understand these values. NDVI values generally ranges from minus to plus 1. Negative value usually represent water or non-vegetated surface. Value close to 0 can indicate bare soil or sparse vegetation. And the positive value indicate vegetation and higher positive value generally represent healthier and denser vegetation. Finally, I apply a suitable color ramp. Right click and go to the symbology and choose a right color. So in this image, you can see darker green shows a healthier vegetation. As I told you, negative value usually represent water and non-vegetative surfaces. So this is our final NDVI map created from Landsat 8 imagery using ArcGIS Pro. In this tutorial help you understand NDVI, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more practical GIS, remote sensing and satellite mapping tutorials. Thank you. Take care.